So today we're going to be diving into two beginner-friendly trading strategies that are simple, effective, and most importantly, they work very well and can make you a lot of money if you're working them right. So sounds Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to our Flex Free Game YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome first and foremost. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime we upload some new videos. And we definitely appreciate your support as we'll continue to work and grow our YouTube channel here and give out some good trading tips. So today we're going to be diving into two beginner-friendly trading strategies that are simple, effective, and most importantly, they work very well and can make you a lot of money if you're working them right. So let's go ahead and get into it. First up, let's talk about the magical world of covered calls. If you guys that have been following our channel, you guys know that this is one of our favorite strategies to talk about. Now, picture this. With covered calls, you own some stocks in your portfolio. These stocks are just sitting there. They're not moving, not doing a whole lot. You've been having them for some time now. What if I told you with those shares, they could be working instead to actually produce some income and make some money for you instead of just sitting there? Now, enter covered calls, right? Now, covered calls are like renting out your stocks, except that you don't have to deal with all the landlord and the tenant drama, and you can actually make some money in peace, right? Now, here's how covered calls works. You can sell the rights to ownership to someone else to buy your stocks at a set price at a set date. So essentially what you're doing is you're selling call options. And in return for granting someone else the rights to ownership, they're going to pay you a guaranteed premium out of the trade, out of the transaction. So think of it as earning extra cash while you're waiting for your stock to go up or down, right? So while they're just sitting there, you could be selling these calls and bring in some income, right? And being paid to wait. But remember though, if your stock skyrockets past that set price that you sell the call option for, you might have to get rid of it. You might have to sell it and part ways with it, which when you're doing this type of strategy, you got to understand that's part of the game. But that's not necessarily a bad thing because remember, you made guaranteed money from selling the call option and you collected that premium into your account. And not only that, you could potentially make money if you're selling the stock at a higher price than what you actually paid and bought the stock for. So two key benefits there. Now, covered calls, very, very powerful strategy to generate guaranteed predictable income. It's an easy strategy to learn. It's an easy strategy to execute. It's perfect and it's simple strategy for beginners to really get into. So definitely, if you're a beginner to the market, you're looking for a strategy that works, I definitely recommend diving in further to covered calls. Now, next strategy I want to talk about, good for beginners and good for experienced people as well. Let's talk about strategy number two, long-term investing, AKA you're going to buy it, forget it, and live the rest of your life in peace, right? Simple strategy, right? Where you don't have to do a whole lot. Simple buy and hold. Now, this method is the strategy that your grandpa, your grandma, they swear by, right? And guess what? They're right? It's not exciting. It's simply buying, holding, and letting your investment increase over time. Now, long-term investing, again, means buying stocks or ETFs, quality stocks and ETFs, and holding them for years and years at a time or even decades, right? You're going to let time and compounding go to work for you. Let it work its magic. It's almost like planting a seed and watching the tree grow. Again, not the most exciting thing, not the most thrilling thing like day trading, but neither is losing money, right? So also trying to get those hot stock trading tips and trying to get rich quick, that can lead to really bad decision making and losing a lot of money. And long-term investing is sort of the opposite of that, right? It works well. It's not the most exciting, but it can make you a ton of money if you're willing to be patient and let your investments go to work. Now, with long-term investing, you should stick with reliable companies, reinvest dividends if those companies pay dividends while you're building your account. Great to reinvest those dividends back to your account and avoid the temptation to check your portfolio every 5 minutes or even every day for that matter. When you're long-term investing, you really can just let it go to work. You kind of check it from time to time and see how things are going. Now, trust me, it's going to be a lot less stress and a lot less stress for high blood pressure as well. So Very, very peace of mind sort of strategy. And most importantly, it works very, very well, especially when you're focused on quality companies and quality ETFs. We can't stress that enough. So there you have it. Real quick video for all my beginners out there or somebody that has experience. If you're looking for something that works, you're looking to work a couple strategies in your portfolio, covered calls is going to be a great strategy for generating guaranteed, predictable, and consistent income in your portfolio. And long-term investing is a great strategy if your overall goal is to build wealth and grow your account. You got to make a portion of those funds allocated to long-term investing. And when you're working those two strategies together, let's take it a step further. Guaranteed income from covered call writing. What would be the smart thing to do with some of that income that you're making for covered call writing is to reinvest back into your long-term holds, right? So now you're going to use your covered call writing income premiums. And you're going to take some of those premiums. Yes, you can go out, spend it, pay some bills, have some fun. But while you're growing your account, and if you want to really speed up your gains in your portfolio, let's reinvest some of those covered call writing premiums back into those long-term holds and let them go to work. Now, if you master these two strategies as a beginner, you're going to be way ahead of the game. You're going to be way ahead of a lot of the beginners out there. If you get these two strategies down, you're going to be really, really leveling up your trading and investing game. So there you have it. That is it. Real quick video. If you learned something new, I want you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Again, for more trading tips as we upload new videos here to the channel. We're going to keep you sharp, and most importantly, we're going to keep you guys making money. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for stopping by. Until next time, happy trading. Be safe.